Imagine waking up and finding out that a single glitch at Amazon nearly broke the internet. That's exactly what happened when Amazon Web Services, better known as AWS, suffered a major outage. For 3 hours approximately, the digital world was thrown into chaos. Suddenly, hundreds of websites and apps just stopped working, leaving millions of people and businesses scrambling. This wasn't just a little blip affecting some random sites. We're talking about big names, Netflix, Venmo, and even Fortnite, going down or acting weird. Banks, government sites, online games, and messaging services all got tangled in the mess. If you use the internet for pretty much anything, chances are you felt the impact, even if you didn't realize AWS was behind it. So, what actually went wrong? Amazon traced the problem to an internal system issue in one of its largest data centers located in Northern Virginia. Now, this place isn't just any old building filled with computers. It's a massive hub where a huge chunk of the world's internet traffic passes through. When things go sideways there, it doesn't just affect Amazon, it ripples across the globe. Amazon moved quickly and got most services back online by mid-morning, but some sites stayed slow or glitchy for hours. The frustration was real. This is a wake-up call about just how much we rely on a few tech giants to keep our digital lives running smoothly. When one of these giants stumbles, it's not just their problem, it's everyone's problem. Here's the wild part. The stock market barely blinked. Amazon's share price held steady, like nothing major had happened. Investors seem to think that even big hiccups like this don't really threaten Amazon's dominance, but tech experts and watchdogs saw it differently. They've been warning for years that putting so much of the internet's foundation in the hands of just a few companies is risky. If one fails, the dominoes fall fast. That's why this outage sparked new debates, especially in Europe, about digital sovereignty. Basically, leaders are asking, should we really be so dependent on US tech giants for critical infrastructure? Maybe it's time to build more local or regional cloud services, so one glitch in America can't take down half the world's websites. There's another big question too. What happens to free speech and access to information when so much power is concentrated in a few hands? If AWS goes down, it's not just businesses that suffer, it's anyone trying to communicate, organize, or access vital info online. Some argue for a more decentralized internet where no single company can pull the plug on so much of our digital lives. Still, it's not all doom and gloom. The reason companies love AWS is because it's flexible, powerful, and way cheaper than building their own giant server farms. Cloud services like AWS have made the modern internet possible. But as this outage shows, it's a trade-off. All that convenience comes with some real risks. So, next time you send a message, pay a bill, or play a game online, remember, behind the scenes, there's a digital backbone holding it all together. And sometimes, all it takes is one glitch to remind us just how fragile that backbone really is.